Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to check user activities and login history on your Shopify online store. So why its importance? When you have an online store on Shopify and you have a team members who are working with you on the same store, and somehow if you see something happened mistakenly, something lost or something's delayed, for example delete some product, delete some collection or anything else on your website, but you don't know who did this work, then it's important to find out the user activities and login history. So I hope you understand the importance of checking user activities and login history. And right now in this tutorials I am going to show you how you can check these details. So let's get started. First of all, you have to log in your Shopify admin panel. Here is my Shopify admin panel. Then you have to click on the settings. Then you have to click on the users and permissions. And you see here is the store owner, and if you have other stuff you will see same things. Let me show you. You will get same things on others stuff history. Looks here, last login was Sunday December 22 2024. You see here is the actual time. Okay, so you will find other stuff details. Once again, go back again, user information. Okay, you will find in here under step. So it's super easy, you don't need any technical skill for that, and I hope this information will be helpful for you. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.